Discover this charming newly listed 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home nestled near the scenic views of Table Rock Lake. Fresh off a renovation that's nothing short of stunning, this house boasts elegant finishes designed to captivate and impress. Step into culinary bliss in the freshly updated kitchen fitted with custom cabinetry and sleek countertops, a space certain to ignite your inner chef. Double living rooms offer ample space for relaxation and hosting, complemented by a lower-level prep kitchen complete with a laundry room and convenient bathroom.Find. More than just a place to store your boat or recreational vehicle, this property includes boat and recreational vehicle hookups and storage shed ingeniously converted into a chic chicken coop. Yes, a bit of tasteful rural charm without sacrificing any modern comforts. Set on a generous acre of land, revel in the freedom and privacy this ample space provides. Picture weekend gatherings or simply enjoying a quiet morning with that unbeatable lake view. Located just minutes from the elevated simplicity of Branson West and the quaint lake community of Kimberling City, you will have easy access to boat launches, rentals, and a local scene bustling with dining and shopping options. Want a dash of dazzle? Branson's renowned array of entertainment options is only a short drive away, ensuring there's never a dull moment in this vibrant locale. Perfect for those